Can man believe? Can you believe before you see? Would you believe in the reality of the thing imagined? Would you believe that with God all things are possible? Would you believe that all things are possible to man? Are these statements really true? Ask yourself, is this true? Do you know what you want? Do you know what it would feel like if you had it? What would it be like were it true that I now embody that state? What would you feel like if it were true? How would you see the world if things were as you desire them to be? Can you see yourself as the man or woman you desire to be? Can you conceive a scene which, if true, would imply the fulfillment of your dream? Who would you invite? What would you do at the party? What music would you play? What frames of yours would be there? What would you do were it true? Can you now assume that you are it? Can you dwell in that state, though reason and your senses deny it? Do you persist in your assumption, or do you return to the old state? Can you remain faithful to that assumption when everything denies it? Come, test yourself and see. Do you not realize that Jesus Christ is in you? If imagining creates reality, what are you imagining? What are you feeling upon each day? What are you doing? Say, I once imagined it, and not imagining it now. Can you imagine your friends rejoicing with you? Can you see it reflected on their faces? Would you believe it then? Who is Christ? Where is he? Can you find him within? If Christ is your imagination, are you using him wisely? Is your faith still a plea, or has it become command? Can you remain faithful to what you have imagined? Will you live in the end? Can you believe that he became you, that you may become God? Do you still feed upon yesterday and call it life? Are you now the insane man living in the dead past? Have you made a god of delay and called it patience? Do you call it humility to doubt the I am that became you? Will you persist in hoping or begin creating? The law is fulfilled. The promise stands. All that was written, all that was written, all that was foretold now lives in your own imagination. And now the heavens wait, the earth is still. So I ask you, not tomorrow, not when you see it, now, can you believe it?